Hey, it's Alan again, and every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, we bring you Olson on Law with longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olson. Tom, good morning.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
Our topic this morning, real estate contracts and sellers trying to back out in a hot market. Tom, we all know that a contract is used to buy a home. Is there a standard form contract?
Alan, the Florida Bar and the Florida Association of Realtors have teamed up to create the FAR Bar contract for sale and purchase of residential real estate. That FAR Bar contract is used in the vast majority of real estate closings here in the state of Florida.
Well, in this hot real estate market, a lot of sellers are trying to get out of their contracts so they can sell to someone else for a higher price. Can a seller legally do that, though, Tom?
Alan, I have more and more buyers calling me with that same exact situation. The sellers, for apparently no reason at all, are trying to terminate their contract. They ask me what they can do, and I say, as always, step number one is to show me that contract. I want to make sure that all the T's were crossed and the I's were dotted. But let's assume that the sellers did not have a legal reason to terminate that contract. The buyer's remedy would be a suit for performance, where the buyer would sue the seller and have the court order that the seller sell that piece of property to the buyer.
Does this happen often, that buyers sue the sellers for a suit for specific performance?
Alan, realistically, that suit for specific performance takes months and months and months. So even though the buyer may be absolutely right, usually the buyer can't hang around that long. So usually the buyer just moves on and tries to find a different piece of property. That's why the sellers are willing to take this chance and wrongfully terminate the contract.
Got it, Tom. If you've got legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will be more than happy to answer them on the Olson and Law Show. That is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. on our sister station, 96.9 The Game. A reminder, Tom and I do the Tuesday and Thursday morning segments on Zoom. You can watch the video live or later on Twitter and Facebook. Tom, thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.